How did you say have a good day today?
Truck port line or land?
Where did you learn that?
Google Translate.
Okay.
Line to land. Bao Chang.
Yes, we are going to Vietnam to visit the birthplace of my VF5. Shout out to Kulas. Ever since I started driving my VinFast VF5, I've always been curious about one thing: how this car was actually built. How thousands of parts come together to become a fully electric vehicle. And today, that curiosity will be answered by an invitation by VinFast to visit the factory in Vietnam, the place where it all began. For me, this isn't just another business trip. This is a rare chance to step inside the heart of VinFast manufacturing and witness how the VF5 and the new limo green vehicles are made. As a VinFast EV owner myself, this experience feels different. Because every machine, every process, every detail I'm about to see connects directly to the car I drive every day. In this vlog, we'll explore how VinFast builds their EVs. Yes, we also get to see the limo green production line, how modern factories operate at massive scale, and what the future of transportation in Southeast Asia could look like. So, from the roads of the Philippines, I'm taking you inside one of the biggest EV manufacturing plants in the region. This is the journey behind my VF5. Let's go! Let's see how the future is actually built. When people see VinFast cars on the road, they only see the finished product. But today, we're going behind the scenes. And guys, we're finally here at the VinFast manufacturing plant in Vietnam. Today, we're going to see how the VF5 and even the limo green are actually made. Pagpasok pa lang, bumungad agad sa amin ang limo green, pati ang VF5. Mga kaha pa lang dito. This is a massive plant of about 335 hectares. Ganon siya kalaki. Located ito sa Haiphong, Vietnam. Dito ginagawa ang mga VF5 at ang mga limo green. Magtataka kayo bakit wala dito yung mga VF3. Ito ay dahil ang VF3 ay ginagawa sa isang planta nila sa Hattin Province. You see those sparks? We will get near there later. I'm actually excited to feel the burst and the sound of the sparks. I have never been in a plant like this. Mga ilaw lang sa operating room ang alam ko. So, sa ating mga kababayan na nagpa-reserve na ng VF5 at saka limo green, mag-antay-antay lang at niluluto pa. What you're seeing directly underneath is the frame of the limo green. It is mainly made up of aluminum, while the VF3, VF5, and VF6 are all made up of steel.
Made of galvanized iron or
No, it's a mix of steel and
steel?
aluminum.
Aluminum, okay.
So for VF8 and VF9, we have mix of aluminum and steel, and for VF5, 6, 7, we have mostly only steel.
So to summarize, the VF3, VF5, VF6, and VF7 are all made up of steel, while the limo green and VF8 and VF9 are mixed of steel and aluminum.
VF9 and limousine is aluminum plus steel, and VF5, 6, 7 is completely steel. Then lower in this line. Yeah. So this line has 4 models that can be used. Okay.
350,000 of vehicles per year ang capacity.
Yan ang production line ng VF5. Dito, kakatapos lang nila mag-rust proofing. Nakakatuwa. Hi guys, I still can't believe we're finally here. We're currently seeing how our cars are made. The factory feels so futuristic. The first thing that hits you inside is the precision. Everything moves like synchronized system. Robots, machineries, engineers, workers, every second matters here. This isn't just a factory. It feels like a giant technological system. I honestly didn't realize how much engineering goes into creating a single EV. So let's go. Ikutin natin ang buong complex na to. Sabay-sabay natin tingnan kung gaano kalaki ang complex na ito. And this part hit differently for me, because this is the same vehicle I drive every day. Watching the VF5 go from a bare metal frame into a fully functioning EV was honestly surreal. You start realizing that every small detail inside your car, every panel, every wire, every system, went through an entire process before reaching you. A lot of people fear EV batteries because they don't understand how heavily tested they actually are. But seeing the process firsthand, you realize these systems go through serious quality control before they ever reach consumers. This is one of the reasons modern EVs are becoming more reliable every year. The technology behind them is evolving incredibly fast. I think this is the parts section. Dito natin makikita ang iba't ibang parts ng isang EV, pati mga battery packs nandito din.
This one here is the leak testing for rainproofing here.
And then we got to see something even more interesting, the limo green. Seeing it in person gives you a better idea of where VinFast is heading next. I think this might surprise a lot of people once it officially becomes more common on the road, as it is here in Vietnam. Honestly, before this trip, I already appreciated EVs. But after seeing everything behind the scenes, the engineering, the people, the technology, you gain a completely different level of respect for what it takes to build one. Ito ulit ang VF5 production line. Ito naman ang production line ng Limo Green. May mga kulay na sila rito. People often argue online about EVs versus gas cars. But standing here, you realize the future isn't just about replacing engines. It's about rethinking mobility entirely. Nandito yung mga door panels. Sobrang laki nitong complex na to. This trip wasn't just about visiting a factory. It was about seeing the future being built in real time. And honestly, I'm excited to see where EV technology goes from here.
Minions daw yung tawag dyan.
Robotic
Ano tawag dyan, ma'am?
Minions.
minions. Wow, nice.
So apparently,
Sinusundan niya yung line.
yeah, apparently wala masyadong units kasi they just shipped out a batch. Pero usually tuloy daw itong ano na to, line na to sa taas. Tapos kanina na traffic tayo kasi busy sila ngayon dahil nag-increase sila ng production.
Okay.
Thank you guys for joining me on this experience here in Vietnam. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look at VinFast, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. This is now the speed bump test. Ang unang sasalang ay yung VF5. Pagmasdan mabuti.
And I think they will gonna go testing. Oh, so that's the VF5. Can you see that, guys? It's dancing and dancing and dancing. Oh, that's great. And another for testing is the Limo Green. The really good Limo Green. The Limo Green. Wow! Can you see that?
I was so stunned how the Limo Green performed. I don't know what to say. I need to talk to one of their engineers.
Make sure on the tightening on all the direction of the toe and camber is correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
After namin namili ng mga pasalubong, sumakay kami sa isang VF5 taxi. Kasama ko si Paul Reyes at si soon-to-be vlogger Mark. Nagulat ako sa odometer niya guys.
We have
Sariwa pa siya, maganda ang takbo.
77,000 kilometers.
Tibay!